Hello everyone, welcome to VRR Tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn the examples of adjective intensifiers. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం adjective intensifiers కి examples తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. సో adjective intensifiers అంటే ఏంటి అసలు? సో మనం adjectives కి మనం ఇంకా కొంత extra add చేస్తాం. So to make the meaning బిగ్గర్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఇంకా కొంచెం పెద్దగా చేసి చెప్పడానికి మనం adjective intensifiers ని వాడతాం. సో I have already given some list of adjective intensifiers. If you want to know them, please watch our previous video on adjective intensifiers. Now in this video వాటికి ఇవ్వాల్సిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇస్తాను. If you find this video is useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So adjective intensifier examples. So first one is pitch dark. Pitch dark అంటే ఆ డార్క్నెస్లో కూడా ఇంకా చాలా చీకటిగా ఉంది. ఓకే, పిచ్ డార్క్. ఓకే, తెలుగులో మీనింగ్ అనేది ఉండకపోవచ్చు, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్. సో డార్క్నెస్ ఈజ్ ఓకే, బట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సే పిచ్ డార్క్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఇంటెన్సిఫైయింగ్ ద డార్క్నెస్. సో చిమ్మ చీకటి అంటాం. ఓకే, సో పిచ్ డార్క్. సో దెర్ ఈస్ నో లైట్ ఇన్ ద రూమ్. It's pitch dark. There is no light in the room. It's pitch dark. The same manam pitch black ani kuda anachu. There is no moon. It's pitch black. Pitch black. There is no moon. It's pitch black. Next, crystal clear. So what do you mean by crystal clear? Okay, if something is very clear, very transparent, that's called crystal clear. So the river is crystal clear. The river near my house, the river near the station is crystal clear. Ante chaala clear ga undi. It's crystal clear. No, without any dust, and you see even pebbles in the water. You can see sand as clearly. So that is crystal clear. So next, brand new. So what do you mean by brand new? So manaki new ni inka manam koncham intensify chesi cheptunam. So brand new, chala fresh. Okay, kottadi. Okay, so I have bought a brand new mobile. I have bought a brand new car recently. I have bought a brand new car, or I have bought a brand new mobile recently. So that is brand new. Next, dead lucky. Dead lucky. So what do you mean by dead lucky? So which means very lucky fellow. Okay, you can say that. He has won the lottery prize. He's dead lucky. He has won the lottery prize. He's dead lucky. You can say that. Dead lucky. Next, dead right, which means completely right, or very right, or you are really right. I agree with you. You are dead right. Next, paper thin. Paper thin in the sense as thin as a paper. So the cake was paper thin. The cake was paper thin. And chala thin ga undi. Next, razor sharp. Razor sharp. Razor sharp, which means very sharp. So be careful with that knife. It's razor sharp. Be careful with that knife. It's razor sharp. Next, rock hard. So rock hard in the sense it's very hard. The soil was rock hard. We are unable to dig. The soil was rock hard. We are unable to dig. Anything you can say. చాలా గట్టిగా ఉంది అని చెప్తున్నావు. నెక్స్ట్ violently sick. Violently sick, what does it mean? You see, a person is almost, dead. He is violently sick, which means very ill. చాలా అంటే చాలా బోనీగా, థిన్గా, ఓన్లీ he is alive, that's it. You can say that he is violently sick. Next, stunningly beautiful. Stunningly beautiful అంటే ఇంకా చాలా ఎక్కువ, అంటే that can grasp your attention. So she's stunningly beautiful. She's stunningly beautiful. Next, strikingly handsome. He looks strikingly handsome. He is strikingly handsome. అంటే చాలా హ్యాండ్సమ్గా ఉన్నాడు. Strikingly handsome. He has strikingly handsome face. సో అలా మనం ఇంటెన్సిఫై చేయొచ్చు ఒక యాడ్జెక్టివ్ని. నెక్స్ట్, dangerously ill. She's dangerously ill. Or else you can say she's seriously ill. అంటే చాలా రోగంలో ఉన్నాడు. ఓకే, she's dangerously ill. You need to take him to the hospital. He's dangerously ill. She's seriously ill. Next, you can say severe pains. Okay, or he's seriously injured. He's severely injured. He's seriously injured or severely injured. Next, seriously damaged. The bus was seriously damaged. The bus was seriously damaged, but thank God, none of the passengers were seriously hurt. None of the passengers was seriously hurt. Next, dangerously hot. Dangerously hot. That was dangerously hot. Don't touch it. It is dangerously hot and very hot. Next, bitterly cold. So very cold, which means it's bitterly cold. It's bitterly cold. Or else, I'm bitterly unhappy. I'm bitterly disappointed. Next, we can say చాలా పెద్దవాడు అని చెప్పడానికి. ఓకే, much older we can say. She's much older than me. She's much older than me. Next, complete idiot we can say. Complete idiot. He is complete idiot, which means completely idiot we can say. He is complete idiot. Next example, utterly nonsense. It means completely nonsense. She's talking utterly nonsense. She's talking utterly nonsense. Next, bone dry. Bone dry. This was bone dry. This was bone dry. And చాలా డ్రైగా ఉంది. Next, stone deaf. Stone deaf in the sense completely deaf. She can't hear you as she is stone deaf. She can't hear you as she is stone deaf. So ఆమె మిమ్మల్ని మీరు so she cannot hear you అంటే మీరు చెప్పేది ఆమెకి వినపడదు as she is stone deaf. Wide open. Completely open. Don't leave the door wide open. So don't leave the door wide open. Or else we can say her eyes are wide open. Her eyes are wide open. So completely opened. You can say it's really bad. It's really good. So it's really bad. It's really good. He is absolutely furious, which means completely or very furious. He is absolutely furious. Next, totally exhausted, which means completely exhausted or too exhausted. Okay, he's totally exhausted after work. He's totally exhausted after work. Next, filthy rich. He is filthy rich in India. He is filthy rich. And a chala rich ani. He is filthy rich. So next, dog tired. D-O-G-T-I-R-E-D. Dog tired. Dog tired means I'm so tired anyway. Completely tired, so you cannot go out. So your friend, ask you to come out after completion of your work, but you are so tired. You can say, oh sorry, I can't, I'm dog tired. I'm dog tired. And manam చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే నేను చాలా టైర్డ్ అయిపోయాను. I'm dog tired. Wide awake. Wide awake means fully awake. I'm wide awake at 5 a.m. Fully awake at 5 a.m. I'm wide awake at 5 a.m. Next, dead end. Dead end in the sense, complete end. After that there is no actually road continuous. You can say that the road dead ends at the lake. The road dead ends at the lake. So after that you don't find road. Completely hopeless. You can say that. She's completely hopeless. I'm completely hopeless. I'm completely I'm completely hopeless. You can say that. He's in completely hopeless condition. You can say that. She's in completely hopeless condition. Entirely satisfied. I'm entirely satisfied with the service. Next, dead easy. Dead easy in the sense very easy. So I did the exam very well as the question paper was dead easy. So I did the exam very well as the question paper was dead easy, which means very easy. Next, dirt cheap. Dirt cheap in the sense very cheap. So the mobile phones in this shop are dirt cheap. The mobile phones in this shop are dirt cheap, which means very cheap. Next, extremely sorry or extremely hot, extremely cold. How we use this? It's extremely hot in summer. It's extremely hot in summer. It's extremely cold in winter. Next, you can say, I'm extremely sorry, which means I'm very sorry, which means you are very sorry for that. I'm extremely sorry. Next, you say, I strongly disagree, which means you don't agree with that. I strongly disagree. Next, fairly interesting. Fairly interesting. So the movie is fairly interesting. The movie was fairly interesting, we can say. Next, quite calm. Q-U-I-T. Quite calm, which means it's very calm. The class is quite calm. The class is quite calm. The place is quite calm. Next, not at all. Not at all also as an intensifier. I'm not at all interested. I'm not at all interested or at all. I'm not at all interested. There is no water at all in the river. There is no water at all in the river. Next, even to also an intensifier. So don't work too hard, okay? Don't work too hard. Next, highly recommend. So I highly recommend this restaurant because it serves good food, nice food for the people. So I highly recommend this restaurant. So These are the intensifiers, adjectives, intensifier adjectives. So you can use this in your sentences, make the, adjective, intensify or give actually extra, adding, adjective for that. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries related to this, please post in our query group. Have a great day.